Once upon a time, nestled between steep hills and the endless blue of the sea, lay a quaint fishing village. Life here was straightforward, yet challenging, with the ocean being both friend and foe. The real hardship belonged to a humble fisherman, Alek, who struggled to bring anything but meager catches back to his family. Alek's days blurred into one as he set out each morning in his rickety boat, hopes battered by waves of relentless misfortune. One morning, as the sun teased the horizon and golden rays danced on calm waters, Alek cast his net with a whispered prayer. Little did he know, this cast would change his fate. As he pulled in his net, its enormous bulge surprised him, revealing a miraculous catch, a glimmering golden fish thrashing gently among the usual grays and silvers. Alek marveled at the fish's vibrant scales, shimmering like polished gold. To his astonishment, the fish spoke, offering to grant Alek any 3 wishes if he were set free. Dumbfounded but respectful of such an extraordinary creature, Alek pondered what his heart truly desired. Deciding almost instantly, Alek wished for prosperity, a better home for his family, and unending fish in the sea, ensuring the village thrived. The golden fish smiled knowingly and agreed, promising Alek that by dawn the next day, his wishes would manifest. True to its word, as Alek returned to his village, he was met not by a tired shack but by a lovely home, robust and warm. His family's wide eyes and joyous cries confirmed the miracle, although he shared nothing of the mystical encounter with the fish. He wanted them to believe in simple fortune. Days turned into weeks, and the village teemed with life and laughter, with baskets of bountiful catches turning the once struggling community into one of abundance. Alek's heart filled with gratitude, yet a sliver of worry pierced his elation. He pondered what the cost of his prosperity could be. As stories of the miraculous catches spread, outsiders flooded their humble shores. With them came greed, competition, and disputes over the now plentiful fishing spots. The peace Alek cherished began to unravel, thread by thread. Alek's final gathering with the golden fish replayed in his mind, the way it had swum free, undisturbed beneath the waves. In reflection, Alek realized his heart's deepest wish wasn't fulfilled prosperity, but something even more precious is peace. Faced with the consequences of his choices, Alek returned to the sea. He called for the golden fish, uttering words filled with regret. To his relief and awe, the fish appeared, its eyes understanding yet firm. Alek voiced his final request, not a wish for himself, but a plea. He asked that the balance be restored, the peace return to his home and land. The golden fish granted this unselfish plea, its scales glowing even brighter before vanishing once again. Slowly, the village returned to its tranquil rhythm. The abundant catches trickled back to normalcy, and the outsiders left to follow rumors elsewhere. Alek, content in heart and spirit, would often watch the sea, where the waves whispered legends of the golden fish, a beacon of hope and humility.